let's get started. So I have opened up a reference in Photoshop first over here. So I'll be just matching the reference first, then we'll start in 3ds Max. So I'll just go into this. I'll just click on this, right click, layer via cut. Again I'll select this, layer via cut. I can again select this, layer via cut. So let's go to this view and I can use this layer via cut over here. So now if you want, you can just put this reference on top of it and you can see that. So I'll just cut this out. So we need to make sure that it is matching over here. Yeah, it's matching. Again you can take this other view and we can just put on top of it and see it's matching. Yes, it's matching. So I can just take this 3 layers over here and I'll off this both the layers, go into file, save as, and I'll just make a folder over here. Let's name it as side view. Let's save it as side view over here. Again I'll open this, save as, name it as front view, and save as, name it as back view. So what I'll do is I'll just take a new file over here. So it's very important to know the size of the file. So I can just take a plane, oops, okay, side is already there. Okay, accidentally I've saved it out. Okay, I'll just take that file, take the references front and back, and I'll put it in this folder. So you can just right click on it and just check the properties of that particular file before you start up. It's 500 by 296 pixels. Alright, so let's go into the side view, or first we'll go into front view. Let's make this length and height width 296 by 500 pixels. I'll resize it, slightly push this up, so I'll again go into this, can take the references, let's go into the material, let's take a material editor and we can assign the front material over here. It's taking time. Alright, so I'll just take a standard material. Let's go into the bitmap and I'll go into this. Let's take the front reference and let's assign it. So I'll go into this and I'll make it as 90° over here. I don't have the top view, but it's okay, we can use the back view as well. So again I'll go into this standard. So you have to adjust the references in this way. So let's assign it. So once it is done, so you can see that we need to flip the reference over here. So I'll just go into this and I can just flip it in this axis. I can make this as again a right view. Alright. So again we can go to the top view. Sorry, that's back view. You can take a back view over here. So okay, we'll take this later on. So first we can start up either with a plane or a box, whatever is comfortable. We can start with a plane over here. So when you take a plane, let's go to the front view and you can just adjust this in this way. So convert to poly, select the vertices, Alt and X to make it transparent. So I can add one connect over here, select the vertices and we can adjust it in this way. So let's go into modeling and let's take one swift loop and let's put it over here. So let's just save as. So we can just save the file once. So let's go into this. Let's select the edge, press shift and drag to duplicate it. I'm sorry, to extrude it. I can off this, again shift and drag to extrude it, shift and drag, extrude it, and you can extrude it in this way. So we don't have a top view, but we have to manage it. So again I can right click and I can use a target weld over here. Again select the edges, again extrude it, push it up again push it in this way. Select the edges, extrude it, and we can weld it over here. Make it straight. So again I'll go into this and again extrude this. So let's select this over here. So I can slightly extrude it. So we can just select it, scale it, again extrude it. So we don't have a top view, but I'll slightly just push this up over here. So again select the edges, again extrude it in this way. So we can just keep on saving the files over here. So let's select the edges again, weld it. Again select the edges, extrude it. Now extrude it again. So I won't extrude the whole thing, but I'll just extrude it in this way slightly. So we can just select the vertices, push it up slightly in this way. So again select the edges and make it straighter. So again select the edges and extrude it. So we need a top view that would be much preferable. So I'll just push it up. Drag this up. So we have to make sure we go on with the slope over here correctly. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.